On the canvas of human skin, a modern ritual unfolds, temporary cosmetic, not true henna. Unlike traditional henna, this art uses cosmetic-grade, skin-safe paint, creating a luminous, high-contrast design. The beauty is immediate and fleeting, resting on the skin's surface and fading within days. Inspired by ancient traditions, these intricate patterns evoke frost, leaves and blooming flowers. The appeal lies in its safety, accessibility and the freedom to experiment without long-term commitment. Henna is perfect for those sensitive to natural henna or seeking a new aesthetic. Designs often mimic nature mandalas, vines and delicate swirls. Today we'll explore this process step by step, from preparing the skin to the final reveal. Watch as simple materials transform into extraordinary art. The process is patient and creative, requiring a steady hand and a keen eye. The skin becomes a temporary landscape for breathtaking beauty. This is the story of transformation, where art and skin meet, if only for a moment. Every masterpiece begins with the right tools. You'll need a small bowl, water and a drop of glycerin for a flexible paste. A fine-tipped applicator cone is essential for precise lines. Sketch your design with an eyeliner pencil for guidance. Keep cotton swabs and rubbing alcohol handy for quick corrections. To set the design, use a cosmetic setting spray or translucent powder. Both protect the artwork from smudging and moisture. Prepare your canvas, wash the skin with oil-free soap and water. Finish with an alcohol wipe to remove any lingering oils. With these tools ready, you're set to create intricate, ephemeral art. The stage is set for a fleeting masterpiece. Let's begin. The skin is the foundation. Preparation is key. Clean, oil-free skin ensures the design adheres and lasts. Wash the area gently with oil-free soap and warm water. Pat dry with a soft towel. Avoid irritation. Wipe the area with rubbing alcohol for a final cleanse. The skin should feel clean and ready, providing the perfect surface. Next, sketch the design with a white eyeliner pencil. Mark a central point for a mandala or draw faint lines for vines. These guidelines are temporary, guiding the artist's hand. They ensure balance and harmony in the final composition. With the canvas prepared and mapped, the art can begin. The transformation is about to unfold. Now, creation begins. Mix cosmetic paint with water and a drop of glycerin until smooth. Fill the applicator cone with the paste. Start at the center, perhaps a mandala on the wrist, following your pencil guide. Build the design in layers, letting each dry slightly for crisp lines. Extend vines and swirls along the hand and fingers, varying pressure for line thickness. Add leaves, dots and delicate accents for depth and texture. Fill empty spaces with small floral elements or clusters of dots. Work patiently, keeping lines clean and shapes defined. Once finished, let the design dry completely. Avoid movement to prevent smudging. The artwork takes shape, each detail adding to its beauty. The process is meticulous, but the result is worth it. Soon the masterpiece will be ready for its reveal. The art is complete, but care ensures it lasts. Once dry, set the design with a light mist of cosmetic setting spray or a dusting of translucent powder. This protects against smudging and moisture, especially in humid climates. The pattern stands out brilliantly against all skin tones, a fleeting spectacle. For longevity, avoid oils, lotions and water for the first 12 hours. When bathing, keep the design out of direct water. Always patch test the paint if you have sensitive skin. Henna invites creativity. Experiment with your own patterns and styles, share your creations and inspire others. Enjoy the temporary elegance and contrast of modern henna. It's a celebration of pattern, a dance of light on skin, like share comments welcome.